According to Electric, Tesla is rolling out a significant new software update 2024.26 with several new features. Music options. Tesla vehicles now include YouTube Music and Amazon Music. YouTube Music offers access to over 100 million songs and playlists. Amazon Music provides Prime members with 100 million songs in shuffle mode and ad-free podcasts. Both require premium connectivity or Wi-Fi. Parental Controls. New parental controls allow setting a maximum speed limit and limiting acceleration. Safety features like speed limit warning and automatic emergency braking can also be enabled. These controls require a PIN to modify. Navigation improvements. The navigation system now includes sub-destinations, such as specific airport terminals, for more precise routing. Weather and air quality. Weather conditions and air quality info are now displayed on the vehicle status bar. This feature is available with the $10 a month premium connectivity subscription. Scheduled charge and preconditioning. Users can now schedule charging and preconditioning from a redesigned menu or the Tesla mobile app. Options include scheduling by location, specific times, or days of the week. The update is being rolled out gradually and may take a few weeks to reach all eligible vehicles. You are listening to UON News.